One of the first questions I used to hear was, why am I manufacturing in the US? The answer is simple: quality and time to deliver. In reality, what we've built is more of a hybrid model. I'm still saving on sourcing my materials from overseas, but I can fully control the quality of our clothes and deliver faster by printing, sewing, and finishing here. To understand why we've built it this way, I think you need to first understand where we came from. I started wrestling as a kid, and honestly, it taught me how to win. I felt relentless in my pursuit of excellence, and every win fueled me for the next challenge. In many ways, it shaped me into the businessman I am today. After college, I decided to harness that passion and experience to train the next generation of athletes and give them a path to college. I opened up the Wrestling Academy as a way to shape hundreds of youth wrestlers into state and national champions. I'd always known that wrestling gear was the worst. I remember the bad materials, the lackluster designs, the overall lack of quality and polish. This is America, and we treat our athletes right. Seeing the level of professionalism in all other sports and then comparing it to the gear of my own kids, this is unacceptable. We had to make a change. That's how Takedown Sportswear was born. I wanted to create one place where wrestlers could find the best stuff made. Like we always say, when you look good, you wrestle good. The problem was when I first tried to source the best stuff, it didn't actually exist. I saw poor design and finishing, bad materials, and all the problems I'd grown up with. That's when I realized I needed to actually produce the gear myself. We can control our costs by sourcing materials from overseas, control quality by designing, printing, cutting, and sewing here in the US. We can ship faster, and we can be more responsive to our customers. That's the benefit of the hybrid model, and that's how we saw success with our coaches in schools. As we've grown, we've offered a larger selection of gear, everything from sublimated singlets, screen print embroidery, and made-to-order swag. Moving into other sports, that was a no-brainer. Now we're in a unique position in the industry. We have the top-of-the-line manufacturing equipment, a large dedicated customer base, and most importantly, years of experience and process improvements. The next step is clear. Today, the question I usually hear is, why is Takedown manufacturing dresses? The answer is simple. Why wouldn't I? I have the equipment, I have the know-how, and there's plenty of opportunity in the market and plenty of money to be made. There's even more money to be made on the e-commerce piece. Packing and shipping, I have the capacity to handle all of that. And dresses, they're just the beginning. Just like in the sports world, there are celebrities, athletes, and other influencers who want to create their own clothing brand. They just don't have the time or resources to pull the trigger. With our experience, we can build online stores for them, design, produce, ship, no hassle to the influencer, just money in their pocket. This same approach is perfect for the corporate world, whether it's building a platform to buy company-branded swag or offering a portal for new employees to get everything they need. We can do it all for them. We'll manage fulfillment and budgets, and they never need to hold inventory. These are just a few examples of what we can do, and honestly, the sky's the limit here revenue-wise. We have all the equipment and the expertise to do all of this now, but we need to get more efficient in order to scale. We've been entirely self-funded up until now. Most importantly, we've always made the right investments along the way. When we started, I had people physically writing every quote, cutting fabrics by hand. Today, we save time and money by automating both of these things. Technology is what drives growth in this industry. The next technology we need will bring us into the world of automated, high-tech manufacturing. This equipment will streamline our production process, allowing us to shift from one brand to another almost instantly. As a result, we will drastically reduce labor cost for setup and minimize breaks in production time. We also need to invest in takedown inventory. Today, we're printing on generic blanks, and based on our scale, this no longer makes any sense. We're leaving money on the table. By investing in our own takedown inventory, we'll increase margins and even have more quality control over team stores, corporate stores, and celebrity influencers. The only question I want people to ask me in the future is it true you started the company as a wrestling brand? Our roots may be in that world, but the Takedown brand is something bigger. It's a state of mind, it's opportunity and success. Whether we're running a celebrity store, manufacturing dresses, or designing our own high-end athletic wear, We're going to be out in front, hustling to produce the best stuff possible and position ourselves for accelerated growth and profitability.